Hi, this is Sarah Broninger of the New Horizons Academy, and here is the third video on multiplying fractions. In this video, Multiplying Fractions Part 3, I'm going to give 4 examples of the question and answers I'll ask a student when doing the first 2 gradients of multiplying fractions. The first gradient is where the numerator is 1, and then where the numerator is a number that this number will easily fit into. In the 4th video, I will do problems where this does not fit in easily. One other point before I start is when I demo, I always have the first number be what I have, the second number be what I'm going to do to it, and the third number be what I have. This is an interchangeable idea. What matters is that one number is something you have, and one number is something you do. I always leave it as the second number is my doingness. I'm going to get 3 of these 2 because it fits more easily with the division demos I'll do later, and I like to stay consistent. All right, so here's the first one. First thing I ask a student is, what do I have?
You have a third.
Good. What am I going to do to it?
I'm going to take 2/3 of it.
Great. How am I going to do that?
Cutting it in thirds and then keeping 2 of them.
Excellent. I'm going to cut it into 3 pieces and keep 2 of them. Now that I've cut it into 3 pieces, they're no longer thirds. What are they?
They're now 9s.
And if I keep 2 of them, how many 9ths do I have?
2.
Perfect. And that's what I have. Here I have a quarter. What am I going to do to it?
You take 2/3 of it.
And how am I going to do that?
First cut it in 3 pieces and then keep 2 of them.
Excellent. Now that I've done that, they're no longer fourths. What are they?
12th.
Good. And if I keep 2 of them, how many 12ths do I have?
2.
Perfect. Here I have 10 12ths. And what am I going to do to it?
Cut them in 5 pieces.
Awesome. How do I cut 10 pieces into 5 groups?
2 per group.
Excellent. My poor cameraman is trying to hold the camera and do math. That's very unfair. So here I've cut it into 5 pieces, and I'm going to keep 3. How many of these 12ths do I get?
You keep 6.
Great. Last one. Here I have 12 pieces, and I want to get 3/4 of it. How am I going to cut my 12 pieces into 4 groups?
3 of them.
Excellent. 3 in each group.
3 in each group.
Now, have I made 4 groups?
Yeah.
Great. How many of those groups do I get to keep?
3.
Good. So how many of these 15ths do I get?
9.
Perfect. Thank you.